You want to build a disc-bound planner, but you're not quite sure where to start? I'm going to share with you the 3 things that you need to get started. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tina, and if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in another video. 3 things that you need are going to be a cover, discs, and inserts. That sounds simple, but when you start looking at things, you might be feeling a little overwhelmed by all of the choices that you have. By going through some of these items with you, it's going to help you feel less overwhelmed. That way you can go ahead and start building your own planner. The one thing that I encourage you to do is to make a list of how you intend to use the planner. Is it going to be for home, for appointments, all of the mom things? Is it going to be a work planner? Or maybe you work from home, maybe you go to the office. Figure out how you want to use the planner. The next thing that you want to decide is what size planner you want to get. Now, I am going to be sharing with you Jane's agenda sizes that she offers and all of the products that she has available. So the sizes that she has for your disc mount planner would be a mini, a junior or half letter, a classic size, and a letter size. I personally have used a mini size, I've used a classic size, and I am currently using a junior size, which is also a half letter size. Those are the same sizes. Jane's Agenda calls that size junior size, and that one is punched for you. If you choose to get a half letter size, that one is not punched, and therefore you would have to punch the product once you got it. But we're talking today specifically about disc-bound planners, so you would want to order the junior size. If you want to hear more about what is the best size for you to pick out, I do have a video, tips and ideas for you to help you make that decision. I will go ahead and list that for you here. All right, so you know how you want to use the planner and you know what size planner you want to get. The next thing is you want to pick out a cover. Now, there are 2 different cover options that are available for you, and she has her laminated vellum covers, and that's this one right here. And this one happens to have this beautiful gold foil on here. So you've got your front and your back, and this one happens to just have a illustration on here. There's nothing written on here. Okay, so you can obviously put the flower whatever direction you would like. If you like it like that for the front, or you like that for the front, you can flip it around. And then the other cover that she offers is this clear cover. It's got like a nice clear view. And this one says it takes strength to bloom. So that's on the front. And this would obviously be the front because you couldn't put it on the back. Otherwise it would be upside down. And then here is the back cover. There are definitely different options for you to look at in both of these styles, but that's something that you have to pick. And that's really a personal preference based on what you like. Now, the next thing that I want to talk about are discs. There are metal discs and there are plastic discs. And metal discs will be more expensive than plastic ones. So if you are new to a disc-bound planning system and you're really not quite sure yet, get the plastic disc. Try it out, see how you like the system, and then you can always invest and get the metal discs. I really like to encourage people, if they are trying a new system, a new size, a new section in their planner, is to try to go with the most cost-effective way of trying it out before you really kind of invest additional money into it. All right, so the sizes that I have to share with you, I have a 1.25, I have a 1.5, and I have a 2-inch. Now, I do not have the 3/4 inch size, but it's going to be smaller than this one. And not all of the colors are available in all of the sizes. As a matter of fact, moving forward, the sizes that she will be carrying when she brings in the new colors, there's going to be the 3/4, 1.25, and the 2-inch. Currently, this one is in stock. This is the gold, and I don't know how long it will be in stock. It's probably going to be there till it's gone, and then you're not going to be able to get that size again because moving forward, she's not going to be carrying this mid size. But these are the sizes that I have, And I have not used the 2-inch yet. That is something that I just got. So I'm going to be building that planner. And of course, I will share that journey with you as well. Why different size discs? Well, it depends on how much you want to put into the planner. To start off, I recommend going with the 1.25-inch discs. Anything bigger than that, I think is just going to be too loose for the papers to sit on there comfortably. And then as your planner grows, then you can go ahead and make the adjustments and get the bigger size discs, which is where I'm at right now because I have a really chunky planner and I don't have any more room for it to grow. So I decided to go ahead and get the 2-inch discs. So you've already picked out a cover that you absolutely love. Yes, there's lots to choose from, so take your time with that. Then you're going to pick the discs that you love. And if you are starting out, you're going to get the 1.25-inch discs. And now, what are you going to put in it? The first planner insert that you're going to get is going to be a monthly insert. So what I have here is monthly number 32. There are different designs that you can choose from. I'm going to share this one with you, but when you go to the site, you're going to look at all of the monthly inserts and see which one you think will work best for you. All right, well, let's open this up here. First page here is a page where you put your name, phone, your email in case of emergency on there. Obviously, you could fill it out however you choose, but that's what's on the first page. All of the monthly inserts come with these quarter pages. So we've got quarter one here. We've got January, February, and March in small calendar. And then there is a line for each day. Then there's also some printed holidays at the bottom here for your convenience. So here's quarter one, here's quarter two. We've got quarter three and then quarter four. Now you can choose how you want your calendar to start. The one that I have starts on a Sunday. I personally prefer a Sunday start when I'm looking at a monthly calendar. So the little calendars up here, they all start on Sunday. And then these lines right here, the one line for each day, you could put whatever you want on there. That's up to you, depending on what you need that for. On the back there is a notes page to finish that section up. And then this next area here, we've got a 2024 task list. So we've got all of the months here and then little check boxes here. So you can create a list for yourself of things that you know that need to get done in each month. And then you've got the little box there to check it off. And on the back of that, there's a 2025 overview for that year. And there's like a line here. So I guess if you wanted to write something in there, you can use highlighters in here, you know, just kind of do some pre-planning for the next year. Now we're getting into the monthly layout, and we've got the month at the top, the year, and then we've got the small calendar here. Over here is important events. So you can put the date in here and write whatever the event is. This area is clear. So if you want to put some stickers down or you want to write some highlights for yourself or maybe an affirmation or write some gratitude in there, whatever you want to use that space for. Then there are two sections here for lists. So here's an area to write a heading. You write out your list. You've got your little checkbox there. You could put the date on that side. And then this section down here is a section for habits. So it's a huge habit tracker for the month. All right, let's open this up and let's look at the monthly calendar here. So we've got January and we've got Sunday through Saturday. This side here is an open sidebar. It is open and free to use however you choose. Down here is a calendar of the next month. So if you need to refer to that while you're planning in the month you're currently in, you've got that there to reference. This particular layout is very open. It has some printed holidays in here already, and then the moon phases. Okay, so that is this particular layout. She does have other monthly layouts that you can choose from, and she also offers the option of having them start on a Monday. So this first day here can be Monday through Sunday. I personally prefer the like traditional Sunday through Saturday. That's just what I'm used to looking at. And I'm talking specifically about the monthly layout. Weekly layouts and daily layouts, that's a little bit different, but monthly, this is what I prefer. So obviously you're going to pick whatever it is that you feel most comfortable with. And like I said, there's quite a few different designs. She even has a monthly with lines on it, which I really like that layout. I think that that is a really nice layout to have because you rarely see monthly layouts with lines on them. I just decided I wanted to try something different, so that's the reason why I picked this one up. All right, let's look at the very back page here of the month. And it is a notes page and it is a dot grid on there. All right, so that is the whole year. So definitely want to get yourself a monthly calendar insert. All right, the next thing that you want to get is going to be a notes insert. This one right here is lined notes pages. So it is just that. It is lined paper. I love having this and I recommend this for everybody because you never know when you're going to need some extra paper to write in. And this is really just the basic for you to get. She does have notes pages that have dot grid on them, and she also has them with a line grid. So if you prefer to have like your spare note pages with either of those designs on there, then pick those up. But definitely notes pages. Now, she also has a lot of other note page designs available, and you might see something in there that might work out perfectly for you. But I always recommend still getting these because these can be used any way you want to. All right, the one thing that you've probably seen a lot of people have is protective covers over their planners. That is completely optional. You don't have to get that. Yes, it's beautiful. I love the protective covers, the wraps, but I don't always use them. So it really depends if your planner is going to just like live in your home. You don't really need it unless you like the look of it. But if your planner is a traveling planner, it's going to be going to work and coming back or wherever it is that you need to go, and you want to make sure that you protect your planner when you put it in your bag, then you might want to think about getting a additional cover. So she does offer a couple of different styles. Currently, she does have this one. This is a snap-in. Now, this particular style, I'm not quite sure how this is going to evolve moving forward. She does have this available. It's not available like in every size or every color, but you still can get these, and it really depends on what size you need. They are vegan leather. She doesn't use real leather. It's always vegan leather. And the inside of this does have this nice flap pocket here, which I like that. So you could put extra papers in there as you need to. And then it does have a pen loop. And this is an elasticized pen loop, which I like that because that will then fit any pen. So that's an option for you. And the newer item that she has is a wrap cover. Now this one is like the wine color. She does have other colors of this available. I just wanted to share this one with you. Now this is also a vegan leather, and then it does have a snap closure here, and you open this up, and the design on these are standard on all of the ones that she has been bringing us. It might be a little bit different, some of her other wrap covers, but this particular one is one of the newer ones. It does have a pen holder here and another loop over here. So you can put two pens in here, and it does have this pocket in the front, and then it has these like diagonal pockets here for you to go ahead and put papers or cards. And then this back pocket over here is where the back cover of your planner would slide in. So this style is called the wraparound one. Planner covers are definitely more of an investment. So see how you like the Discbound system first and give it a try, and then maybe decide to go ahead and invest and get yourself a cover for it. putting a planner together, it should be fun. It's you picking out a beautiful planner cover, something that speaks to you, that you really love, finding the discs that you want to match with it. That's your personality. No two planners are going to look the same. And I love that because you're creating something that you love. What you think goes together beautifully, may not be appealing to the next person and vice versa. So try not to compare what your planner looks like to other people. There is no right or wrong way to put your planner together. If you like the way that it looks, if it's working for you, then it's perfect. Now, I am a Jane's Agenda affiliate, and I do have my link down below. And if you are shopping, I greatly appreciate if you consider using that link. If you have never purchased anything from Jane's Agenda before, there is a 15% discount code down there for you to go ahead and use and get a little savings on your first purchase. Just a couple of other things I want to share with you about Jane's Agenda. She does have a reward system, so make sure that you have signed up for that because anything that you purchase, you will earn reward points. She also offers a subscription box. And I do get the subscription box. If you're curious about that, I will go ahead and link the playlist here for you, and you can take a look at the different subscriptions that have already been out. Give yourself a little bit of an idea of what she offers in her subscriptions, and there are 3 different ones that she offers. This video was part 1, and the next video is going to be how you use planner tabs, what you need and how you use them, and the different kinds that are available. I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Please remember to subscribe and hit that notification bell when you do. Be sure to share this with anybody else that you think might find this video useful, and drop a comment down below. Are you a first-time Discbound planner, or have you been using the Discbound system for a while? And if you watched this video all the way through till the end, leave me a circle emoji. All right, thank you so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.